ఇక మిగతా అప్డేట్స్ చూద్దాం. ఇండియన్ బ్యాడ్మింటన్ స్టార్ సైనా నెహ్వాల్ హైదరాబాద్కు చేరుకున్నారు. ప్రపంచ ఛాంపియన్షిప్లో భారత్ తరపున ఫైనల్కు చేరిన ప్లేయర్గా రికార్డు క్రియేట్ చేశారు. పోటీల్లో రజత పథకం సాధించిన సైనాకు ఎయిర్పోర్ట్లో గ్రాండ్గా వెల్కమ్ చెప్పారు అభిమానులు, కుటుంబ సభ్యులు. ప్రస్తుతం ఆమె మీడియాతో మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Actually taken the game into the third set, but of course, as I said, I maybe a little bit hurried up in the last, but otherwise I think I played pretty better than the way I played in All England. All England was just little, I couldn't fight that much in the third set, but this time I was fighting very hard. It's just that I think you never know, it's final stage finally, and you never know who is going to win it, but I tried my best, and a couple of good wins from the first rounds, and I had a very, very tough draw. Wang Yihan was playing superb before the World Championship. She won the Chinese Taipei Open as well, and she was in a great form. So beating her was a great challenge, and also Sayaka Takahashi and then Linda Veni-Fenetri, who is actually a local favorite in Indonesia, and she beat Rachana Kintanon and Tai Zuing, who were actually performing very well. So the draw was quite tough, and the rounds were very, very tough for me. But yes, it was really disappointing to lose in the finals. But I have to take positive out of it and be very happy, because this is the first time I'm playing finals after so many years of attempt, and I'm really happy that I could come back with a silver medal. So it's a kind of a pride moment for me.
Saina, how much is the game?
Carolina is definitely a very, very tough player as of now. She's dominating really well, and she's also playing little at a faster pace. I understand that. But it's just that I think the strategy I could have changed a little bit in the last stages of the second game, which I didn't try much, because I think it was a final stage, so there's some kind of a pressure which holds you back sometimes. So I didn't try that much. I could have tried even better, but it's not that I can't beat her. I will obviously get her many more times in the upcoming tournaments, and I'm sure I will work on the game, and I'll come back stronger next time and try to beat her in the upcoming events.
Saina, how emotional you are for this victory, and what has Noel Kumar changed your game? What is the made?
I think I'm very, very emotional, and I'm at the same time very happy, because last year at the same point of time I was actually thinking of, as I said, quitting badminton, and I was thinking my game is going nowhere and I'm losing to a lot of players. But after 1 year, if you see, I have so many titles with me, and so many firsts, and at the same time world #1 ranking, and then playing World Championship finals, getting the silver medal. So all these things are like a dream come true, and I would really like to thank Vimal sir for that, because he's working so hard with me. Of course my parents, and I would also like to thank Olympic Gold Quest for giving the full support which they're giving to me. It's not easy to be away from home. I have been at home from my childhood, and then suddenly moving out of home and staying in Bangalore, and staying at the academy with my mom, and Vimal sir looking after me so well and giving me such hard training. But it was all because I wanted to win. I want to achieve a lot more, and I think the achievements are coming. Of course, I lost in the finals. It's little bit disappointing for my fans, and I understand for my coaches. But I am trying my level best, and I'm sure if me and my coach found out the way to reach the finals of big events, and I'm sure we will find out the way to win the events also next year. Yeah.
What changes brought?
Changes, a lot of changes in my game, which I felt was I'm a little bit more quicker, playing a lot more fast-paced rallies. I'm attacking much better, and also there's overall a lot of improvement which I felt from last year. Even my body is improved a lot in terms of, physically I'm feeling much better, much fitter, and it's because when you get a personal attention, naturally you're going to improve, because the whole attention is on you. And he's working on the areas where I'm weak at, and I have to improve a lot more. So every time when I come back from a tournament, I'm getting some training which is always for improvement, and it's only for me. So that's why I think the improvement is happening, and whenever you get such kind of a special attention, then obviously you improve. And at the highest level now, I'm world #2, but you need someone who is totally focused on you, and I think Vimal sir is doing that really well.
And